Also, no pushing, no shoving, no kissing, no hugging, all right? Good morning, Russell, Jade, and Angel.
Where's that blue box?
There's more right.
Yeah. The far back one.
Upstairs, I think they might have sold.
Okay.
But if there were any, they'd be upstairs.
The price on this one right here? This one just didn't have a
Planet
price.
Hollywood, dude. Like $2.
You got it.
Let me slap a price on it for you.
It's so cool. There you go, bird. I was looking for you. Sorry about that, brother.
Going to the bins again?
Yeah, I already went through the bins again.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I found a couple pieces.
Cool. I got the Pinocchio. I want you to check it out.
Oh, very nice. I figured, because I walked in the back, I was like, pretty sure he went into the garage.
The Kingdom. The Kingdom. Sorry.
It's a show.
Yeah,
I don't know.
we'll see.
15.
The bank job.
Planet
Get your high
Hollywood, is that
stuff.
yours too?
Yeah,
That's cool.
the bank job.
I've heard of that. You know what bank job is?
I got Jimmy Buffett.
Oh, okay. Oh, thank you.
I got a starter jacket. It's a starter jacket. It's kind of plain, but because I grabbed a few. Yeah,
What is that?
look, look. I'll show you. Look at
Okay, right on.
Skyline.
Skyline.
Yeah, it's that movie.
I don't know, I didn't see that one.
Immortals.
Okay. I see you, I see you. Second? No.
Babylon 5.
Oh, that's a good one.
We got this Black Crows.
I
don't think so.
The print's weird. It's all messed up. Okay, Incubus, very nice. Oh, that's cool. Sorry, I was looking around. Okay. No? Why? What did you already
It's
do?
DC. It's DC.
What's wrong with DC?
It's not as popular as Marvel.
But the Riddler movie just came out. But the Riddler just came out, no? You don't think so? I'm appreciative.
Okay.
And then I got some other skater jeans. These These are,
The Jinko?
I don't know if they're Jinko. I didn't get to look. Yeah,
Jinko.
Jinko jeans.
Okay.
Those will do. Those. Okay, we'll put in the thing. It doesn't have a price. If it's a good
Go
price,
ahead.
we'll get it. You know?
Let me see that jacket.
Oh, and I
Shit,
found
that's
him.
money.
Who's he?
Nobody.
Nobody?
I put him down.
Okay.
He's somebody, but yes. Yes.
Right? You see any tears or anything on it?
Nah, he's good.
Right? It doesn't have a
That
price.
one's fire.
Right?
That one's gas.
Yeah, it's got
Yeah.
the sleeve embroidery too.
Mhm.
I don't really think it has a price. Did it say where it said?
No, we'll get it at the front.
I think they're $7.
They're $10?
7.
Oh, that's
So a bit in your favor because it has all the price.
Riley, how much was Gort?
the robot in the box.
What?
The robot on the box.
Oh, we didn't price Gord.
You guys took pictures of him?
Yeah, I know.
He's going for about 50 bucks.
He's going for about 50 bucks. That's 25.
Okay, you can
25?
take- So we'll do 2, 4, 6,
Do me 18. How's that?
10.
It's up to you.
Makes me feel like I got a little
So there's
something.
12 right there.
$18 for Gord.
Got it.
Damage
You guys have a
report.
resale?
Yeah,
no.
we do,
Okay,
but
so your total is 101.76.
We're not good at it.
Be right with you guys. Thanks for waiting. So hopefully we'll see you tomorrow or Sunday.
Probably not. We're all done with our budget.
have a good one. Thank you.
Got each of those shirts for $2. 18 considering
We're gonna make
what
it.
we got
We're gonna
everything
make a
else for.
killing.
Yeah, we are.
Hey, we're gonna make a killing.
We still got that.
That's fun.
What?
What is it?